Hello everyone, today on the bench we have this nice Aiwa Walkman, as I can see. This one is HS PX610. This was sent to me for repair from one of the customers. Let's check straight away, do we have some corrosion, and no, this looks just very nice. Oh, I've heard something. And this is flashing. So this will be interesting, I think. But I heard definitely that the belt is gone. Straight away, what I can see, that device looks very beautiful from the inside. Actually, like new condition head and everything else. Okay, so I think let's just straight away start repairing this device. Yeah, so the belt is right over here. Also straight away what I can see that capacitors are leaked, so we definitely have to change them. Okay, let's remove this part because we will have to access and to solder those. Okay, right now let's do a bit cleaning and then we will have to unsolder some joints. Okay, so someone was tampering with this device from what I can see. Overall condition is not bad. Not bad at all. And we can perfectly see where is the belt. There it is. Well, I think let's do this just a bit later. Right now let's focus on PCB. So straight away, let's remove this. And let's remove all capacitors. We're gonna put those straight into the trash. Okay, and further cleaning. And okay, let's prepare capacitors. Okay, let's solder at first this one. And we have not done the deep cleaning process because those caps just started to leak, and they have not damaged from what I can see anything by now. So we are basically varying, not just in time, but in time. Okay, now let's do treatment for all the switches. First of all, let's check those. It is a bit higher in the ohms range, but with the treatment we will definitely solve this. And also let's clean potentiometer. So we are done with the PCB. Right now let's focus on tape transport. Okay, let's do the transport further steps. So right now let's clean all the pulleys and so on and so forth. Okay, right now we can put on the belt. Okay, so I've put on the belt, new one. Good. And I think right now we can solder and put everything back together. Okay, let's do a quick test without the head plugged in. Good, let's check if we can do play. Perfect. Okay. Right now then, let's put back the door. And before that, maybe let's clean those. Oh my god, I forgot to put potentiometer. Let me do that quickly. Okay, so let's continue. Let's put back this. Now let's put back this plate. And that's it. Right now let's clean. I think at this time we can basically just try the device. Yeah. So let's do that. Okay, let's see. Good. Now about these. Off and off. Okay. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so let's see. What do we have? And let's use this one for adjusting. Speed adjustment is right over here. And let's start. Yeah, motor is a bit floating. Let me see why. Okay, so I think we have to clean a bit those capstans and pinch rollers. Let me grab the cleaner and let's do that. Also, let's clean the head while we are here. And those. And okay, let's put in a battery just a bit to clean those capstans. Let's see, what do we have right now? Okay, so I think this is gonna be just perfectly fine. And wow and flutter is kind of normal for this device, yeah? Okay, so the next thing will be to check dolby levels. So let's do that. Let's grab dolby tape. And let's see what do we have. And let's check those. Okay, so right and left and ground. Start. Okay, ground we can put anywhere. Let's check those. Left channel 94, right channel 106, 105. Actually, it's in the specification range, but a bit. 106. Left channel 100. Yeah, so it is in the specification range because service manual is asking to have 100 millivolts plus minus 10 millivolts, so we are perfectly in the range. And right now, I think what we can do is to assemble the device fully, and we will test it with some music as always. So let's do that. Now what we can do tape head demagnetizing. Okay, so device in the end looks pretty much very nice. Okay, so let's do final test. For this I grabbed my Sting cassette, pre-recorded one, and okay. Okay. Rewind. Fast forward. Play. Okay, so short update. I didn't like how it sounded because I think and I found the issue that was azimuth way off actually, and practically no good high frequencies I got. So I have invested another hour, and you can, I think, feel the difference basically. I will put in the Sting cassette, for example, pre-recorded one, yeah. Okay, let's play it. Now, as you can hear, very crystal clear sound is going out. Yeah, and of course I have tried with different tapes, so this is pre-recorded by myself. Yeah, this one was recorded on GX9. Okay, fast forward a bit. Okay. Come on. A bit more. And so basically every cassette now is having those high frequencies, and of course metal tape. Yeah, so this will be it regarding this Aiwa HS PX610. It turned out in the end to be now very nice unit, and it plays now just perfectly fine. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel. As always, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.